Hey guys, what is going on? Musical Eagle here. Today we have a new unboxing of my Logitech S220 speakers for my computer. So yeah, I got this on Best Buy for around 30 bucks. They sold out right after I purchased this online. It was around 30 bucks, free shipping. All I had to pay for was tax, and I used my Best Buy Reward Zone card. Let's put these scissors onto the side. Logitech S220 speakers. And that's all other stuff in there. Ooh, this is actually really heavy. Okay, this is about 7 pounds. Alright, I'm gonna bring you to a better view of this unboxing. Alright, so let's finish this unboxing. So we have the Logitech box right here. Make it a better PC. And that's pretty much it all around. Nothing really much to say here. Okay. Start with the accessories on the side. So we got here. So we'll take out the speakers first. Here's one speaker. I'll give you a better look at it. I think these will go quite well with my my LG monitor. That's the speaker right there. That's what it looks like. And what's great about this was for $30 I got 2 speakers and a subwoofer. So I love subwoofers. Alright, sorry about that. More interruptions. Let's take away these plastics first. And what would this be? It is the headphone jack. This is how it connects to your device that you want to, whether it be a iPod, iPad, or I don't know, anything in your computer. And what else we have here? And this is like pretty big. It's a good size subwoofer. Manuals here. Just throwing them to the side. And we have the power cable. And this is the subwoofer. Take off the plastic like so. It's pretty good. Logitech on the front. Alright. Let's see. On the back we have a bass reducer. The bass reducer, your speakers, and I believe this last plastic here. Try to get this out. This is, I believe this is your control, your power switch. See that, your power switch. I believe that's headphone in, microphone max, a little indicator. I have no idea what that's for. Take off that plastic, and for speaker and what was that, audio out. So that's pretty much it, guys. This is a subwoofer that, actually, the Logitech S220 for my PC or Mac. So that was a good unboxing. I hope you guys liked it. Comment, like, subscribe, add. Thanks a lot, guys. Peace.